Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. I hope I'm in focus, and this is a collaboration video with my girl Naomi. Honey, I love you. It's an honor to be collaborating with you again. Her video will be linked in the description bar, so please go ahead and check her out. Yeah, I don't have much to say. Please enjoy the video. I'll be playing music and as well as talking throughout the video, let you guys know what I'm using, and more towards the end I just started to talk to you guys. So please enjoy this makeup tutorial and I'll talk to you in the next video. Yes, come through.
I speak and I show love. The Bible says the hearts of men are desperately wicked. Matthew 5 verse 44. But I say unto you, love your enemies, bless them that curse you, do good to those that hate you. Music's chosen. Me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water, sweet, sweet jelly water. Hey, me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water, sweet, sweet jelly water. From Kingston, Jamaica, from you come across the Prince of Peace. When them criticize are the least, me not come on this for earthly rewards. My blessing coming from a higher place, but the hurt is the Lord and the fullness thereof. So me a pray for my brother and my sister, them wicked heart get clear of. Clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water, sweet, sweet jelly water. Hey, me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water, sweet, sweet jelly water. From Kingston, Jamaica. Remember God is love, yeah, God is love. So why we can't share back with Daddy's love to one another, yeah, one another. Make a pray and help your brother climb the ladder. Every day, we driven by the Almighty. Even though the devil him still a fight me, me no care who the guy be. And a prayer warrior God beside me, yeah. Me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water, sweet, sweet jelly water. Hey, me heart clean, yeah, like the jelly water, yeah, jelly water, sweet, sweet jelly water. From Kingston, Jamaica.
Alright guys, with my foundation I just used black opal and I use it all over my face, black opal carob. So now, ew, I'm going in with Fawn and Warm Honey to do my highlight from LA Pro Conceal. So this is Fawn that I'm laying down. Then I'm going to be going in with what's it called again, with Warm Honey. So this is typically how I highlight. You don't have to highlight like me. Just what I prefer to do. This is Warm Honey now that I'm going in with. Yeah, Warm Honey. And Warm Honey is lighter. And I don't need so much, to be honest. I don't need that much at all. And for my brows, I used my Ruby Kisses in level 11. I think it's a concealer duo. And level 11, and I believe I used my Anchor eyebrow pencil. It's just a brown. Then I'm going to go over with the brush that I used to do my foundation and go on the edges to blend out the edges better, so that when I put the powder over, the powder doesn't set the unblended edges. I know I thanked Naomi before for doing this collab with me, but the girl has such a sweet spirit and she always comments on my videos. I have to thank her again. Like, doing this collab with her is just an honor. It's just a complete honor. So I'm going with Ben Nye. Ratty, not so much good girl. I'm money for, you know, that showed for free. I'm going with Ben Nye banana powder, and I'm going to place it. I just snorted some up my nose. I'm going to place it on all the highlighted areas. Then I'm going in with my Iman Earth 2. It's a pressed foundation and it's luminous because it has some like glitter, not really glitter, but it has some luminous effect in it. Like, oh, it was just on the top, it gone. Okay, so just a straight matte powder. By the way guys, thank you so much for 147,000 subscribers. Thank you for sharing my videos, because I've been asking you guys at the end of each video to share and to like, and you guys have been doing it. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hair is not blended. Let's go over that. Then I'm going with my Shades by Gal Baked Hydrating Foundation, and it's in deep/dark, and this is how light it is for deep/dark, so I use it as my highlight as well. I mean, I don't have to do both of them. Am I in focus? I was not in focus. I don't have to do both of them, the midnight and this, but I like how this looks, and I don't like to go in with this straight on my foundation because my foundation is wet. And I'm not wearing a primer today because I'm literally just doing my face because I have one-on-one classes to do today. So I'm just doing my face literally for the one-on-one class. So I don't have to wear a primer. Well, I don't want to wear a primer because of that, because I'm just going to go for a couple of hours and come back home. So I'm taking Motives Very Deep. And I'm using this to low light my face. For my nose, I'm going to take the same brush that I used to blend out on top to tap into it, tap off, and just chisel my nose. And let me just focus in real quick, because it'll be sad if all that was out of focus. It's difficult to tell with this lens. What I want to do is to hook up my laptop to my camera so I can see when I'm in focus and out of focus. Alright, clean that off a bit. Then I'm just going to blend out this low light for my forehead. Going in with the same brush I use to blend out under here. I don't like how it looks. I'm going to use the Shades by Gal, and I'm going to kind of chisel under here because the low light went too far. Then I'm going back with Earth 2 to go back under here, you know, because I went too far. Right, then for the eyes, I'm going in with my Mark My Eyes, my LA Girl Mark My Eyes, and I'm going to draw a very dramatic wing, which I have a tutorial on this, so I'm going to speed through this section rather quickly. So I'm going to be going in with Corrupt from Makeup Geek, that black, and ooh, I need a stiff brush. So I'm going to take Corrupt, and I'm going to do my little thingy. I'm going to flip up from here. Then I am going to be blending. I'm going to be taking, is this my color? Yeah, Cocoa Bear, this color Cocoa Bear, and I'm going to be taking that and blending over Corrupt. See, like that. I think I want to take the inside a little bit deeper. here. I'm going to take where is it, this fluffy brush, and to just blend out right here using the tip, the highest point of the brush, using it to blend out here. Then this same fluffy brush, I'm going to be taking my Shades by Gal Baked, and I'm going to be putting that on my brow bone. There she blows. So for the lashes, I'm wearing these, and these are by Glam Doll Extensions on Instagram. I don't know if they sell lashes, but I know I got those pair up, well, these pair from them. So so I'm going to be putting on my Afterglow by Iman. Excuse me, I'm going to mix these two. And I have to look at the camera to see if it's coming off, because in person this thing is so subtle. It's just like a hint of highlight. It's nothing like what the kids are doing these days. Then I'm going to take this light brown.
Yes. Wow. Yes.
So far in reach. Then I'm going to take the light side here.
Yes.
Oh no, see, it's messing up on my eye. It dirty up?
Yes.
In pants?
Yes, I'm going to sit down.
What did I use this for? Low light. So I'm going to use the other one for blush, and I'm going to use this color up here for my blush today. Let me see, it still has a bit of a glow. So that blush, yes, come through, glow. Then I'm just going to go over with my glow, then get dressed, and hopefully show you an outfit of the day. But if not, it'll be on my Snapchat. Ooh, lips. What do I want to do for my lips? I want to do a black lip. Alright, but I don't have any black eyeliner pencil, so I'm going to be doing my go-to lip since the other day. I'm going to be wearing Creme de Nude. Then Smoked Plum, I believe it's called, or something plum. Smooth Plum by Ellie Girl. My Puff Piece Thick Nudie Lip Gloss. I'm going to fix my under eye. And I just used the eyeliner pen, the angled brush that I used to do my brows. Just use that to fix it. And there we have it. So this is the final look. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking through to the end. Again, thank you so much, Naomi, for doing this collaboration with me. Please don't forget to click the like button, comment in the description bar what else you want to see from me, and don't forget to subscribe to my Jamaican Makeup Artist YouTube channel. Again, thank you so much for 147,000 subscribers. We're pushing for 500,000 this year, so let's get those thingies out there. I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and bye. So I'm